Hey y'all, Cranky Dino here. Yeah, you guessed it, shenanigans. So we're out on a cold night. I got the beard all put up out of the way so we don't get in the way of digging in these dumpsters. So wish us luck. Hopefully we score some amazing stuff tonight. So if you like the content, give me that thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more shenanigans to follow. Gotta get these gloves on. Y'all know not to forget them gloves. Final squeeze toy. That's a nice little dog toy. Oh, there's a bunch of them. We got a bunch of dog toys, y'all. This is a little unicorn. This one looks like a little frog. Let's see. Got another little unicorn. That looks to be about it for that one. So a couple little dog toys. A couple little dog toys for the shelter. They'll like that. So y'all, in case y'all don't know yet, if you've been watching my channel, you know I love dogs. So if you have dogs, put a picture of your dog in the comments below. Oh no. Unfortunately, y'all, it's not cold enough to take this ham. I'm just really wary about meats. And there's a whole bunch of it in here too. So this one's kind of heavy. I'm wondering what all's in there. Oh, it looks like break room stuff. It's like break room stuff, unfortunately. Yeah, if you can see, there's a whole bunch more of this ham right in here. Oh, we got some more of these dog toys. Got some more of these dog toys. Squeeze vinyl. Little frogs. A couple more of those. Oh, there's a purple one. It's like a little... Is that a dinosaur? Is that some kind of dinosaur? I don't know. Oh, we got another one. Alright. So normally this one's a lot more interesting. Unfortunately it's not, so stay tuned. More shenanigans to follow. That looks like a lot of break room stuff there. This one. Also looks like a lot of break room stuff. Look at this. Now this does not have to be kept refrigerated. Let's see here. What's this? What do we got here? Oh, we got a pair of women's leggings. Brand new pair of women's leggings. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of
There
it.
must be a recall.
Now we will go through it. We will check it for recalls, just to be on the safe side. Yeah, that's a busted Downy there. Yeah, it's got that bag all soaked in Downy. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely makes the whole place smell like Downy Fresh. Hopefully there's something good in this last bag. Hopefully there's something good in this last bag. I figured if I kept saying it, I could talk myself right into finding something good. Stay tuned. More shenanigans to follow. All right, y'all. So, we are at the last stop of the night. So again, it rained, so there's a lot of rainwater on the bottom of this. So I'm trying to not step in the rainwater. We got a thing of potting soil. We're gonna tape that up, take that potting soil. The bag had torn open, probably in shipping, but it's a perfectly good bag. I can put that in the garden. Tape that up. So when we find this stuff like this, get our tape, just tape it right up. Just something temporary until we get it home, and we'll just dump it right in the garden. Perfectly good potting soil, nothing wrong with it, except the bag had busted open. So here we go, one mostly intact bag of potting soil. Oh, my wife is gonna love this. My wife is gonna love this. We've got a whole case of popcorn, y'all. A whole case of it. Every one of them is sealed. So we're going to take this whole case. What is this? Is this a toy? Uh-oh. What is this? Tell me that's a pair of headphones in there. Tell me that's a pair of headphones in there. I think it is. It is. Y'all, we just found a brand new Two Boom Joy kids headphones. Look at that. So, in case you guys are seeing this, there's a lot of this queso cerveza authentic beer cheese dip. I'm not getting any of that. Because again, I'm always cautious about taking dairy, meat, produce, and breads because they're so easily spoiled. Might have found us a good bag this time, y'all. We might have found a nice bag. What do we got here? Looks like Tupperware. We'll get that home and see if that's it's got some tape on it, but I'm not sure if that means it's cracked or what. So we'll get that home and see what's what. That's a torn happy birthday bag. All right, let's keep digging. Oh, look at this little butterfly. What's it? What does the tag say? Let's see. See what the tag says. Garden stake lawn decoration. Now we can't. I don't see the stake anywhere. I'm gonna keep looking to see if I can see it. But if not, we're still gonna save that for some purpose. I'm not sure what. Uh-oh. Haribo's gummies. We got a whole bunch. This is a nice grab bag. This might have just saved this whole dive, y'all. Kissing booth. Kissing booth. Oh no. Oh, it's broken. I don't think I can fix that either, y'all. Ah, that's a shame. More gummies. More gummies. This was some kind of gold metal flakes. I wish it hadn't busted open. This is some gold metal flakes. That would have been nice for some crafts. What is this? Oh, that's some more of those scratch pads. Keep those. Some more of those scratch pads. We found these before, and it's like these scratch pads for like these glitter stickers. Oh, cars! Found a mostly intact pack of little trucks and cars. That'll make a nice little gift for some kids. Oh, that's open. Chester's Pupper Cheddar Whirls. Take that. More of these Pupper's Cheddar Whirls. Take those. Another one of those. Take that. What's this? What is this? It's not labeled. I'm not sure what that is. Not sure what that is. Mystery liquids. We got, that's one individually wrapped thing of microwave popcorn. Some more of those Chester's Cheddar Whirls. Uh-oh. Found a pair of reading glasses. Oh, nope, it's missing the lens. I can't ever find them. They're fooling me tonight, y'all. They're fooling the crap out of me tonight. That's alright. What is this? Is this Play-Doh? Oh, I found kids' Play-Doh. Look at that. There's a whole bunch of them in there. 2, 4, 6. 6 little cans of Play-Doh. Put that in there. Uh-oh. Oh, it's open. Ah, it's open. Yeah, they are fooling me tonight.
Treat bags?
Yeah, treat bags, gift bags, something. We'll check them out. I don't know what all this is, but we're going to take those too. Some kind of craft stuff. I'll take that. Maybe we'll put it in our school. Oh, I found some balloons. Yes. Found balloons. Another one of those Cheddar Whirls. Oh, there's one of those. Nope, that's empty. Alright, I think that bag has given me all of its blessings. Alright, let's keep going. Let me move our bag here. Keep going over here. I know there's more popcorn. We're not through yet, y'all. Oh, yes. Oh, y'all see this? Look at that. A whole other case of that popcorn. I'm going to pull it out. Look at that. Look at all this popcorn, y'all. Alright, y'all. I think we've done about all the damage we can do here. So let me turn my light on and we'll do a quick little look-see down there. Look at all that popcorn. We got like 20 bags of popcorn. Some potting soil. We got some Play-Doh. We got a pair of kids' headphones, among some other things. So we're going to get home, get warm. Stay tuned. More shenanigans to follow. This is Cranky Dino here. My wife is still asleep because it was a late night last night, so I'm kind of being a little bit quiet. Hopefully I don't disturb her too much. So since last night's haul was not that great as my previous hauls, I'm going to show you some parts that other divers will not show you. This is the cleanup afterwards. So once we get everything home, we lay it out. Everything gets a full sanitary wipe. I mean, it was in the trash, so we're going to wipe everything down, and then I'm also going to show you the layout. Again, other divers won't show you this part, but I will. So without further ado, here we go. So, sanitizing spray, sanitizing wipes, some clean cloths. You know, this might be a little boring, so let's fast forward. Just kidding, I'm gonna fast forward for real. All right, hang on, y'all. My wife is awake, so you know what it means. I gotta make sure she's smiling early in the morning. I'll be right back. If you remember, we got these beach towels. Some of them have bled, which I just use them for cleaning rags, for wiping rags, whatever. If you watch another one of my videos, you know I got this tub from somewhere. So not only that, but I got the dish soap from somewhere. So all this is brought to you by former Dumpster Dives. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip it all in this soapy water, scrub it down real good, give it a little rinse, and it'll be good. And just like that, with superhuman speed given to me by the bite of a radioactive spider, and maybe the magic of television, I was able to wash those just like that. So now we just dry them, inspect them real good, and they'll be ready to go. Y'all, Cranky Dino here. So as I spoke about earlier, last night's haul was not that great, but I'm going to keep my channel as genuine as possible. I'm not going to do what the other diver channels are showing you. You know, they show you all the pretty stuff. I'm going to show you what's real. Every time you dive, it's not going to be a huge success. Sometimes you're going to score big, sometimes you're going to score small, sometimes you're not going to score at all. With that said, I'm just going to show you what we found and, you know, get prepped for my next dive, get prepped for my next video. Here we go. So the biggest find of the night was all this popcorn. Now, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 bags of this Brim's popcorn. It's a lot of popcorn, so these are going to make great donations to some hungry people. I love it. I'm going to eat a couple bags myself. So let's just move from this way to this way. So found a little bit of this sparkly wrapping paper, I think it is. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but there's a couple of pieces of it here. It may be for like gift baskets and things like that, but I grabbed it thinking I could use it for a craft project or something. So we got some of these little bags. Now there were some twist ties. We got two types of bags. We've got these rainbow colored bags, and then we've got these clear ones. And I don't know how I picked it up. Maybe it was just got mixed in with the bags, but I got the twist ties that go with them. This nice little Valentine's Day decorative kissing booth sign. That was for my wife. So I was really excited because this was the start of the night, even though the first dumpster was really empty. I got really excited when I found these. I got lots of these little squeaky dog toys. So I'm going to drop those off at the local no-kill dog shelter. And it turns out one of them was what looks to be a little squeaky dino. I'm not sure if it's a dino, but I'm going to err on the side of caution and keep it myself because it could be a dino. So we got a bunch of those. We got 6 of those. There were a couple of more, but they were broken. These, however, were fine. 1 pack of latex balloons. A mostly intact case of little children's Play-Doh. So that'll make a great donation for kids who like to play with that stuff. There's 2, 4, 6 little cans in there. Now the packaging was gone on this, but I just couldn't let it go. It's a little tiny pack of, I don't know if they're Matchbox cars or some like Micro Machines. Anybody remember those? I'm showing my age here. But a small thing of cars. 1 pack of microwave popcorn. As if I didn't have enough popcorn already. Even though I couldn't find the stake that this goes to, this is a nice little butterfly. It normally goes on like a garden stake to stick in the garden, but I kept it because I want to do something with it because it's really pretty. 1 pair of brand new women's leggings. Stretchy, stretchy. Now we found some of these previously, and I'm still not exactly sure what they are, but I know one little girl. She really loves these things because I donated them to her the last time I found some. They're like these little scratch-off sticker glitter guys for some kind of craft project. I'm not sure. But I'll give those to her again. She'll be thrilled to have them. So we got 5 packs of these Chester's Cheddar Whiz Poppers. And then I was really happy when I found this, even though, I mean, it's a cheap pair of headphones, but it's still a nice pair of kids' headphones, still in the box. So that'll make a great donation for a little boy or a little girl who wants a pair of headphones. I found 3 packs of these Haribo Gold Bear gummies. Now, I don't like gummies, but I know some people who do, so I'll give that to them. So if you were watching earlier, as I got them all cleaned up, we've got these Vienna sausages. And with all that said, sometimes you score big, sometimes you don't. Hopefully next time we score better. I've got a lot more to show you. So stay tuned. More shenanigans to follow.